Hi, this is Ben from Stradi IT, and this is our first attempt at a video blog. Today we're looking at Windows 7 and Windows updates for Windows 7. You hopefully already know that it's really important to keep your computer up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Windows 7 goes end of life in January 2020, and some important updates were released in March that need to be installed by July to ensure you keep receiving updates in Windows 7 until January 2020. So we're going to take a quick look now at this Windows 7 computer to look at its update status. In Windows 7 it's really easy to check your update status. If you go to Start and type Windows Update, click on Windows Update, and on this computer we can see there are two important updates available. We can either install these by clicking Install Updates or go to Start, Shut Down and Install Updates. It's important to note that restarting your computer won't necessarily automatically install updates. On this occasion we're going to shut down, install updates and then check the status after a reboot. So we installed the updates, we shut down the computer and we've now started it back up again, and we're going to check to make sure there's no other updates available. So we repeat the process of going to Start, typing Windows Update, clicking on Windows Update, and we now have a green tick and the words no important updates available. We can also see that the most recent check for updates was today. So this computer is fully up to date. If at any point you're in any doubt, you can also click here, check for updates, and your computer will talk to the Microsoft update servers and make sure there's no updates that are missing. But if you've got a green tick, you're all good. Thanks for watching this video today, brought to you by Stradi IT. You can receive more hints and tips by signing up to our mailing list on our website, or you can like us on Facebook or follow us on Twitter. Thanks very much.